Hi friends, and welcome to another story time with Ms. K. Today I am reading Construction Site Mission, Demolition, written by Sherry Dusky Rinker and illustrated by A.J. Ford. Where a building's old and crumbling, 5 big trucks all roll up rumbling. The sign says, "Danger, stop, keep out," but bulldozer gives a thunderous shout. Gates open wide, the trucks roll in. They're revved and ready to begin. Mighty Flatbed joins the crew. She brings skid steer and loader too. That rickety building has to go. They'll wreck it, rip it, blow by blow. They can't wait to get underway. This is Demolition Day. Crane truck standing firm and tall swings a giant wrecking ball. His aim is steady, sure and straight. He hits his target with the weight. Kaboom! Concrete sails everywhere. Clouds of dust shoot through the air. Crane sets up for another hit, and beams and pipes and chimneys split. He bashes through a concrete wall and leaves a hole 50 feet tall. Now with his hook, Crane truck will start sorting rubble part by part. With nice neat piles, there is no doubt that nothing good will get thrown out. Metal, concrete, steel, and wood, they'll be recycled like they should. Now Excavator takes the lead. His bucket rams a wall full speed. Smash! With each crash, each mighty thrust, concrete and glass explode to dust. He switches gears and turns around and sets his bucket on the ground. Now a grapple helps him grip to tear and pull, to bite and rip. Rebar torn out without trouble, concrete and steel turn to rubble. Now everything gets sifted through to be reused for something new. Dump truck and flatbed working hard are hauling huge loads from the yard. Honk, honk, roar! Everybody does their share to clear the site to make it bare. Crushing as he rolls along, mash! Front end loaders big and strong. Rubble mash beneath his weight, compacts as he rolls strong and straight. He lifts up giant chunks he's found and smashes them onto the ground. Back and forth he never quits till everything is bashed to bits. He hauls away the cracked debris and separates it carefully, sorting metal, brick, and pipe, and then it's all saved to be used again. Little skid steer runs and races through the site and in tight places. Her breaker bit can shatter rock, her grapple pulls down cinder block. Her bucket helps her dig and haul, her big blade can push through it all. Vroom! She revs up, she rolls, she bashes. She busts a wall and thud, it crashes. The crew batters, shatters, shakes, destroys. The air is filled with smoke and noise. Crumble, crash! And just like that, the big old building is now flat. Shh! A dust cloud rises, falls and clears. The building's down. The whole team cheers. Now the crew works as a team to get the site all clear and clean. They haul materials away to be reused another day. Then big bulldozer rolls around. He levels land and clears the ground. Vroom! Cement mixer pours some new concrete. Shh! The site is clean, all fresh and neat. They've all worked hard to clear the space so something new can take its place. The day is finished, job well done. Demo day was tough but fun. The tired trucks have done their best, and now it's time to get some rest. Tomorrow there is more work to do. They'll start building something new. Now they'll dream of engines, rumbling, wheels turning, rubble tumbling. They'll dream about tomorrow too, the dirt and noise, the jobs they'll do, of friends and work and all that's right. Another good day. Now, good night. The end. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our story today. Until next time, bye.